In the land of Pandatopia, one thing rules the economy: bamboo. Juicy, crunchy, delicious bamboo. Pandas love it. Pandas need it. Pandas live for it. But here's the twist. Bamboo doesn't just fall from the sky. Well, not usually. That's where bamboo farmers come in. They grow the bamboo, and they sell it to the pandas. In exchange for leaves, leaves are money. Because why not? Now imagine this. There's a bamboo drought. Less bamboo on the market. The farmers cry. The pandas panic. One panda shouts, "Where bamboo?" Supply is low. Demand is still high. Bamboo go up. Price go up. Panda not happy. Then, next season, bamboo everywhere. So much bamboo the fields look like a jungle gym. Pandas roll around. Farmers wave bamboo in the air yelling, "Buy, buy." Now there's too much bamboo, not enough hungry pandas. Bamboo? Go down. Price go down. Panda happy. Farmer, not so much. Here's the rule. When supply goes down and pandas still want bamboo, prices go up. When supply goes up but pandas are full, prices go down. Simple. Supply and demand. Or, as Panda says, less bamboo, more leaves. More bamboo, fewer leaves. Sometimes pandas fight over bamboo. Sometimes farmers compete by growing fancy premium bamboo. The free market is wild. It's like a bamboo buffet with mood swings. But remember, it all comes down to one thing. Panda wants bamboo. Panda has leaves. Panda trades. Now you know how supply and demand works, Panda style. Bamboo go up, bamboo go down, Panda economics. Subscribe for more Panda wisdom, or the farmers might raise prices again.